In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play House Flipper 2 multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Doing co-op or multiplayer in House Flipper 2 is extremely simple. As long as you have the latest version available of the game, you will be able to do co-op, and you can even do this cross-platform, so it is available for PC or consoles, and all of you and your friends can play together. You can have up to 4 people in the same lobby. So, to do this and have everyone play together doing different roles in any mode, one of you will have to host the game. So from the home screen, choose the co-op mode, and the first time that you select this, you might see a message similar to this one, Open Beta. Thank you for being with us as we open a new chapter in House Flipper history. Basically, co-op or multiplayer is still being developed, so you might encounter some bugs or stability issues while trying it. Some features may not work as expected. With all of that said, you can still play together, but just be aware that if you encounter anything unusual, it's most likely because it is still in development. So now, like I said before, one of you will host the lobby, the other people will join. When you choose host, you will see this menu, create lobby. Choose between online or LAN. LAN is going to be preferred if everyone is on the same network. Alternatively, choose online, select between cross-platform on or off, it doesn't really matter, and then you can choose the region. With all of this set up, when you create a lobby, the host will see this. In here, you can share the lobby code, so you can copy this lobby code, share it with your friends, and they can join by hovering over the co-op option and choosing join. Input the lobby code that the host sent, and they will populate these slots. Alternatively, the host can also choose the invite option. So if you are on Steam, for example, the Steam friends list will open and you can send out invites that they can accept. Then the host will start the game by choosing either new game or sandbox mode. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.